Hold on. I'm stuck in this crossword puzzle. It's an 8-letter word for a life-changing root vegetable. Oh, right. Hey there, Dr. Scandalous.
Greetings, Bob. I'll bet you're thinking to yourself, what does Dr. Erroneous P Stickler have for me today?
Bob does actually think in the third person. It's good that you know that about Bob.
Will it be another mundane keyboard shortcut for my plebeian audience?
Okay, that'll be fine. Just get to it, all right?
Are keyboard shortcuts even worth it?
They are?
Well, time to set you straight, Bob. You see, keyboard shortcuts not only cut down on time spent on the computer, allowing for far more time AFK, spending time with one's loyal sentient robotic minions, but are oftentimes the easiest way to accomplish goals on one's computer that would otherwise require several more steps to accomplish. Here are a few examples of commonly used shortcuts you can start using today. To cut and paste, for example, simply highlight the text, then hold Ctrl and press C to copy, or hold Ctrl and press X to cut. Then hold Ctrl and press P to paste it to its destination.
Yeah, okay, I think most people know those.
Indeed, and along those lines, holding Ctrl and pressing A will select all the text in the selected window. And if you make a mistake, most programs now allow you to hold Ctrl and press Z to undo the last thing changed.
And I use those shortcuts just about every day. I think most computer users do, don't they?
Precisely. So, if you didn't know those shortcuts before, now you know. And that is all from the evil laboratory of one Dr. Erroneous P Stickler.
I'm starting to think that Dr. Stingforbrains has got mixed up between the difference of evil and annoying. Anyway, which keyboard shortcuts do you use the most? Give me some comments below.